Person kalian ini Adzlm Simple dan Tom Polish itu?
Hi, it's me.
Person lo aku Arsan, aku penjual kereta di Bandar Jakarta ini. Person aku bagi kereta ini percuma untuk kamu bertiga, ambillah.
Thanks for your hard save.
Or now clock 50, hurry up. We're late. Come on.
But I want this heavy rain. There is a fast, wind Adzlm Simple before the rain.
There is a mogul, let's stay here first.
Police, halo, selamat datang ke motor kau Adzlm Simple.
Yang why you? I won't go in again because of this rain.
Police, aku bagi percuma ini, B.
What? Is it going to rain? The water has gone down.
Oh, rain start run.
Joke safe, let's go to sleep now. It's late. Let's go to sleep.